Marijuana fiend. Keep your black amounts of six, need no nicotine. I keep my pen, me and Musa as we pulled up on them sixes just to go and bust some bitches. See the motherfucking wheel, sex appeal. And if I'm in the backseat with them tits, act like a seal. They eyes me. You ain't got no money, man. But bet I got some weed. Hey, who got some weed? Who got some weed? Who got some weed?
Like I'm honest, up in nonsense. I read you in your subconscious.